Hello YouTube. Today we just got back from Thailand and we've been over there for 5 weeks, and I'm trying to get this Tarago running again because the battery went dead while it was sitting here for 5 weeks. The battery was already about 4 years old, so I wasn't too worried about that. I did put on the charger for like 12 to 15 hours, but it just wasn't coming around. So I went down to my local super cheap, got a new battery, and I'm ready to put it in. So first things I'm going to do is just loosen up these two, that nut and this bolt. So if you loosen up this bolt and take it out, you can usually just bend that back and then pull the hook out where it's in. I'll put that down there. I'll put that bolt up there. Then I'll take the negative cable off first. Put it over there. Take the positive cable off. Put that over there. Get rid of this battery. Recycle your batteries. This one's 30 months. The other one was 24. Put it in. And then this was when I put this, make sure this hook right here goes in the hole that's on this side. I don't know whether you can see that. There's a hole in there. And then put that across. And then I'm going to loosen this up just a little so I can get this bolt in. This is a 6mm bolt with a 10mm head. Get it started with your finger tight first. You don't want to cross thread it. Nope, I already see my problem. So don't do what I do. Always check where your terminals are first. And I can see that I put the positive on the wrong side. And I also have the battery around backwards. So let's take that out. Flip the battery around again. I'll do this again. Make sure that's in the hole. Make sure that's lined up as good as it's going to be. Start that finger tight. Tighten this one first because it's going to have to be metal to metal. There we go, that's tight. And then go to the back one. And batteries don't have to be in here very tight. So that's good. The battery's not moving around anywhere. That's perfect. So then I'm going to take off the caps. Make sure you take these off. They're just plastic caps. Put the positive cable on first. And then tighten that up. Again, these don't have to be very tight either. Just tight enough to where it doesn't spin on the post. Make sure that that's cleaned out. You don't want any corrosion there. Tighten up the negative. Try and spin it. Try and spin it. Okay. Put your cap on. I'm going to probably have to redo that with a new one of these zip ties. Just make sure that's on. And then we're going to start it up and make sure that it turns the engine over. Okay. Once you have it running, I always check to make sure that the battery is charging. You should be getting like 13.5 to 14.2 volts out of these two if you just put a voltage check on there. And then you're also going to have to come back inside. You're going to have to come back inside your car, and you're going to have to reset your clock, because your clock's going to be reading 1 o'clock. You're going to have to reset your dash, because pretty much whatever stereo you have in here, it's going to lose all of its memory for all of its presets, all of its initial setup, everything. It's going to come back to that. But then you'll be done. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you've had different batteries besides Century, Yuasa, let me know what batteries have been good for you. Voltage tester that I'm going to use. You just put the positive on the positive and the negative on the negative, and it's reading 14.1, 14.12 volts, which is perfect. That's right where you want it to be. That sounds good, doesn't it?